Hi guys, all of you, good evening. Guys, in today's session, we are going to set up in second project. I think already have seen that project 1. The difference between project 1 and project 2. In project 1, we didn't use that SonarQube. We didn't integrate SonarQube server and SonarQube code analysis and quality gates. We didn't integrate it in previous project 1. And we didn't configure email notification. We didn't configure email notification on fail or success jobs. We saw that maybe in the regular classes, in the Jenkins classes, Jenkins regular classes, we saw that how to configure email notification. But with that email notification, just we can see only failure jobs. If the job will fail, if build is fail, we will get notification. On failure build, whenever it will back to normal, we will get that one mail, build is back to normal. That's it. But on every success job, we are not getting mails. Only in 2 cases only we are getting mails. The first one, if the build fail, we will get notification. On build fail, whenever you are going to troubleshooting, after troubleshooting, if you are going to build the job, if the job is success, if the build is success, then we will get one more notification, your build is back to normal. Again, if you are going to trying to build the job third time, if the build is success, you will not get any kind of notification. When we will get back once again that mail on the failure builds only, we will get notification. But in today's session, not like that. If the build is success, we will get notification. If the build fail, we will get notification. Okay, we are going to integrating 2 concepts. We are adding 2 concepts with the previous project. Yes, as usual. Okay, see, based on our requirement, maybe the programmers are going to modifying that. They are going to adding new features, upgrading code. After that, they are using Git and GitHub for code integration or code check-in. Then as a DevOps engineer, we are going to integrating code with Jenkins. But we are using different distribution builds in Jenkins. We have configured master slave configuration for a distribution build. Here we are using master, Jenkins master and Jenkins slave. Already have integrated this one. If you don't know about this one, how to integrate, how to configure master slave, please better to go see that my previous video. In today's session, it's not possible to configure master slave because already I have configured that. Next, okay, yes, this is the master and the slave, and already I have integrated Maven also. But in the flow process, we are using Maven. From the Maven, we are going to sending the code to SonarQube. Yes, if you don't know how to configure SonarQube, you can see that my previous classes already. There are 2 videos, 1 or 2 videos, install and configuration of SonarQube and integration with Jenkins. Of course, today we are seeing that once again. I'll show that how to integrate SonarQube with the Jenkins. After that, this is the new concept. In today's project. We are using SonarQube and integrating with Jenkins, and we are sending the code for quality checking. We are giving some conditions. Based on that conditions, if the code is okay, then it will goes to build. I mean that packaging. Yes, after packaging, it goes to Nexus repository management server. Same time, we are going to deploying that application or app whatever we built, either var or jar or er file. Mostly we are using that var WR web archiver. So we are using that one test environment or one dev environment I'm using in today's. After that, if everything is fine, we will get one notification. In this flow, for example, if it is not going to integrating code with Jenkins, yes, that is the first problem. Yes, we will get notification. If not going to integrating with master slave, yes, that is also one problem. We'll get notification. Yes, if it's not going to integrate with Maven, yes, we'll get one notification. Build fail. If it's not going to integrating with the SonarQube, yes, we'll get fail. And on every step, wherever the problem is there, based on that problem, immediately Jenkins will stop the process and it will throw mail to what we have configured mail. Yes, we are seeing that how to configure email notification once again. Okay, this is the concept. Okay, but in today's class we are using one environment that's calling as a test or dev. I'm using that dev environment. Okay guys, this is the process. In this process, for configuring this project, what we should have that? Yes, we should have that GitHub repository along with the code. Next, we should have that one master mission and one slave mission. In the slave mission, we have to configure Maven, and we should have one more server. See, server 1, server 2, and server 3. Server 3 and server 4 and server 5 for deploying. Total, we are using 5 servers. One is the master, and one is the slave, and one is the SonarQube, one is the Nexus repository, and the fifth one is the, for deploying the application, we are using one either dev or test or QA or whatever you can use that. But in my case, I'm using that. Already I named the server dev environment. See guys, these are my servers: master, slave, SonarQube. Okay, code analysis server, Nexus repository managed server, and a dev servers. And coming to see, yes, this is my GitHub repository. This is my master mission, and this is my slave mission, and this is my SonarQube, and this is the Nexus repository. One more server we need to be prepared. That is the dev server. Let me install and configure this server. Yes. So I'm install font config and Java 11 open JDK -1. We are going to installing this Java. Just wait guys, it will take a few minutes. Just wait guys, it's going to installing right now. Okay guys, now we have configured, we have installed Java space hyphen version. Okay, it's a application server now, so we need to install Tomcat. Yes, open one new tab. Yes, so Tomcat download. No need that Maven, Git, Jenkins, those are not required. Just Java and Tomcat. For Tomcat purpose, we are going to installing Java. Okay, cds class opt is wget Yes, LL transfer -FVF. Yes, NVIDIA Tomcat. Yes, PM/OPT Tomcat. Web Apps Manager Meta INF context.xml for Tomcat login purpose. Yes, systemctl stop firewall D class OPT Tomcat startup.sh. Yes, we need to add that username password. We didn't. Yes, 080. Just so we don't have that username, no. Yes. VM/OPT Tomcat conf tom XML. You can use. Okay. Admin. Admin. Just shift colon. Yes. Refresh here. Just login. See this. This is the server. Okay. Almost app server also ready. Total 5 servers. One is the master. One is the slave. One is the SonarQube. One is the Nexus. Another one is app server. And we required one mail for configuring email notification. Just wait, guys. Okay, guys. See, guys, here are 2 more requirements for email notification configuration. For easy to process, for easy to understand, yes, we should have 2 mail IDs. Out of those 2 mail IDs, we are using one for, we are treating as a one sender mail ID and one for receiver. Which one we are going to treating as a sender mail ID? That mail ID and its password we need to configure in Jenkins console. That's calling as a email notification configuration. Yes, today only I have configured that one. Now, my previous video you can see that that's only for email notification configuration. But once again, I'll show you that how to configure email notification. Okay, guys. Yes. Now, see, guys. Here I have the 2 mail IDs. This is one mail ID and this is another mail ID. So now I'm treating as this one is the receiver mail ID. Yes, I'm sending notifications to this mail ID. If you want to receive the mails from Jenkins, yes, I'm using this receptionist mail ID. And this is the sender mail ID. We need to configure with this mail ID in the Jenkins console. That's calling as a email notification configuration. Email notification configuration part is different and receiving the mails part is different. Receptionist mail IDs we are adding into the job console. In the job environment, whenever we are going to configuring job with the pipeline or something, we are adding that mail ID. But this is the fixed mail ID. This is the permanent mail ID in the email notification configuration part in Jenkins. That part it belongs to Jenkins administrator part, who are having that administrative rights to access Jenkins. Those persons are going to configuring this part. But we are the admins, we are the build engineers, we are the deployment engineers. We are the configuration engineers. So we are working as a all-rounder. So that reason we are going to learning everything that. Okay. Yes, guys. Now I'm starting this process. I'm starting this process. First, I'm going to integrating Git with Jenkins. First, I'm going to integrating Git code with Jenkins with the pipeline only. With the pipeline only. Let me show you that. Yes. Okay, guys. These all are my previous jobs. Forget about this. I'm going to configure a new one. So let me delete this one. I'm using this DevOps Project-2. So that reason I'm going to deleting this one. We are going to naming DevOps Project-2. Even in the slave mission also we are having that one directory. Yes, cd/opt. Yes, workspace. Yes, rm space -rf. Yes, here we don't have any projects. Yes, because we will get that output here from master to slave. We will get that output once the build is success. Okay. Next, in the SonarQube console. Yes, at present we don't have any kind of projects. I have deleted. And in this coming to Nexus, already have that project. No problem. We can identify easily. So guys, already 8 builds over. If we build once again, if you are using the same server, we will get one more with the 9. If you are going to overwriting again and again, yes, 9, 10, like that, we will get that. See guys, at present we are having 8 builds. Okay, next. And this is my application. Here we don't have that application. We don't have that application. Now, okay. First of all, here one more step. Yes, I want to configure SSH in between slave mission to this app server. Yes, this is the dev environment. This is my slave environment. Once we build the job, whatever we are getting that var file we want to place in this Tomcat web apps folder. Yes, ll/opt web Tomcat web apps. To this place we need to copy that var file. Once we build that, once the build is okay, once we develop that artifact, after developing by pipeline, we need to copy that var file into this dev environment. So that region we should have that SSH configuration. Yes, let me configure that in the slave mission. Generate that SSH key. First of all, let me know whether the key is available or not. ll space /root.ssh. Yes, already we are having key. Now I am adding this key to slave mission. Yes, IP space A. Yes. Yes, now SSH copy ID /.ssh ID _ RSA.pub to this server. I'm sharing this key to this server. Yes. Apply that YES. This password. But if you are going to using that host name, you can't access without password. You can't access passwordless. So that reason, what we have to do, we need to configure local DNS. Local DNS mean, yes, host name. This is the name. Yes, VAM/etc host. This is the local DNS. Inside this, we need to, yes, and IP address is 132. Take this one. Yes. Apply the tab. Yes. Escape. Shift colon W. Now, if you want to add this one like by post name, yes, you can apply. Yes. Dev env. That is the post name. Apply that yes. Now you can log in with password without, sorry, you can log in passwordless by the IP address and post name also you can log in that. SSH, you can try, see, passwordless login, exit. Okay, like this. But if you want to log in passwordless on post name, you should have that DNS configuration. From which server you are going to login into that, or joining into that remote server, you should have that DNS configuration in that server. Okay, guys. Now, part one over. Now we are going to integrating this code into Jenkins with the pipeline. Now let me start first job. Yes, click on that new item. Now we are doing the practical steps. Complete integration part 1-to-1. Yes, DevOps Project-2. Use that pipeline and click on that OK button. Click on that OK button. Next, pipeline. Yes, here I'm using that Jenkins file. Already we are having that Jenkins file. Just let me name that. Just I'm going to renaming this one. Okay, yes. Now, okay guys, step by step. Now, we are using declarative pipeline script. Okay, yes. Step 1, start the function pipeline. Yes, this is the main block. Inside this block, yes, which agent is free, how many agents we are having. If you have multiple agents, I mean that multiple servers you are having, yes, on any one we can run that agent any. Next, just stages. Inside these stages we are having stage 1. Stage.
Are we not going to add tools?
Sorry, we'll see that one by one. Now, okay. Just present we don't have any kind of requirement for. If you want to get the code, no need to add that to tools. So my intention, when it's required, that time I will add that one by one. That little bit easy to understand. Okay. Now, yes, code pull. Yes. Now, steps inside this. Yes, we are using Git. We are using Git SCM. Yes, branch. We are using main branch. We are using. My code is inside that main. Better to make sure that. See guys. Okay, main. Next, comma. Next URL. So our repository URL. Yes, this is my repository URL. Take this one. Use that HTTPS and within the double quotes. Yes, this is the step. That's all guys. For getting the code from GitHub to Jenkins integration part. Yes, take this one, copy this one. Yes, now move to Jenkins console. Yes, we are using directly. Yes, we can use in two methods. If the code is already the scripted code available in the Jenkins pipeline in the SCM, anyone SCM, you can use this one. Or else, if you are going to writing directly here, yes, you can use this console. Just you paste here whatever we have written that script. That's it. Now save this one. Yes, you can go for build now. If you want to see console output while executing the job, see this. Process start. Okay, guys. Now build is success. But I want to get mail for on every step, on every movement, on every block of concept, we need to get mail. Where we need to configure this one, where I have to mention that mail ID. Yes, here. Come here.
Pipeline.
Yes, in the pipeline. Last. See guys, this block is for stages. Stages. Now we are going to writing that email notification outside the stages. Outside the stages within the main block. Within the main block. This is the main block. Inside this main block, outside the stages. This is the stage. See guys, this is the stage. Stages block. This is the stages block. Outside this one. Yes, come here. Now we need to write that. But before that, we need to configure. I'll tell that. We need to configure that process is a little bit different. That's completely in the Jenkins console, admin and admin console. But before that, we are going to writing script. Yes, this is the post action. Yes, inside this post, yes, failure. If job is failure, if you get failure, for that, for getting mail. Failure. Yes, this is the failure block. Inside this block, yes, email ext. Ext mean extension. Email extension block. Yes, subject. Yes, failed. Subject failed. Got it, guys? Now, here, which failed? The job failed. Yes, here we are going to writing job name. Job underscore name, capital letters. What is the job name here? Present, which job name we are having? This is the job name. DevOps project is the job name. That automatically script will take that. Now, next, in the job, how many builds happen right now? Yes, this is the first build. And build number. This is the build number. This is the job name. Inside this job, this is the build one. We need to pick the job name and build number. Yes, now. Yes. Now, build number. Build number. Yes. Comma. Next. Body. What you want to send the message, which message you want to pass. For example, if you are going to writing one letter mail, if you are passing one mail, inside that mail we are having that, what is that, sender mail ID is there, recipient mail ID is there, and what is that, subject is there. This is the subject. And we are going to writing one body of the matter, no? We are writing some content inside that mail, no? Body. That we are going to writing. Yes, body. inside this body, what you want to write. You can write whatever you want. In my case, I am writing that, hi, your build was something went wrong. Please check that your wish, guys. Whatever you want, yes, you can write in your conversation format. Okay. Please check the build at the build number. We are going to specify that. Yes. Build number. Yes. Build number. Yes. Double quotes, comma. Still we are having. Now. Yes. Who is the sender here? Sender and receiver. 2. Here we are going to writing receptionist mail ID. Yes. Now come here. Already we have decided that now. Yes. This is the sender mail ID. This is the sender mail ID and this is the receiver mail ID. Yes. I am taking this one. Yes. Within the double quotes. Yes. Comma. Next. From. Yes. Which mail ID? From which mail we are going to sending? Yes, this is sender mail ID. But we need to configure this one. That's one-time configuration. Yes. Copy this. Okay. This is the process. If the build fail, we will get this notification. Which one failed? Subject is failed, and we will get this notification from this mail ID to this mail ID. Yes, take this one, copy this one. Yes, this is the block. This is the failure block and the success block. Success. Yes, inside this success block, yes, here also we need to modify that. Successful. Okay. Now, same. Now here we need to modify that. Successful. If you want to see the details, yes, you can apply that. This is the process. But we can't get mail. Let me show you that. Is it a small letter or capital? Yes. See guys, this is the main block. What is that? Pipeline. And this is the, sorry, just wait. Yes. Pipeline. Here we need to add one more. This is also very important. See, you can observe here, small underline to main block. You can see here. Okay. See. That's very, very important. Yes, now take this code. Just move to Jenkins job console. Yes, again, configure. Yes, select and this one, just replace with code. But we will not get mail. We'll see that. Yes, click on that, build now. Because we didn't configure email notification. I think already, okay. I have configured with the old one, guys. Already I have configured with the old one. Yes. Job is success. But let me show you. This is the receipt mail now. Already I have configured that. I'll show you that how to reconfigure that one. See guys, build success. Build success. Okay, but here I didn't add that one, no? Build number. So that reason we didn't get that build URL. Okay, maybe problem with that. Okay, just build number also. Okay, job name. That's correct, guys. But we didn't get that link. We will get link. Okay, but this by this one, maybe this is the problem. Just let me show you that. Now I'll show that how to configure email notification. First of all, let me erase everything already I have configured. Now what I'm doing that I'm going to deleting everything that. Okay guys, for getting mails on failure and on success, for getting mails, now we are going to configuring email notification in the Jenkins. First of all, now be in the dashboard, click on that manage Jenkins. Now click on that system. Now you can find that email extension, extended email notification. So after this one, we can see that. See guys, here now we are applying that port number, port SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol, not gmail.com. We are using Gmail SMTP protocol. Now the port number is 465. Now here we need to add credentials. See guys, here we don't have that. What we have to do. Yes, we can create here also, but you need to restart service sometimes. You need to be restarted Jenkins service. So that reason, without restarting, what I'm doing that I'm not going to adding here. I'm going to another place in the Jenkins. Yes, I'm saving that job. Now again, click on that manage Jenkins. Now click on that credentials. This is the easy way to add that credentials. Click on that credentials. Now click on that system. Again, click on that global credentials. Now you can click on that add credentials. Now with username, password. Here user is the Gmail ID. Here is the Gmail ID. User is the Gmail ID. Yes. Which mail ID we are treating? Yes. Now already I have written that. This is the mail ID. Just take this one. This is the sender mail ID. Now come here. Yes. Use that username and password. Which password? Which password we need to add here? Here, Jenkins will allow us. Jenkins allows that original password of the mail ID, but Gmail organization not accepting to use original mail ID password. Original mail ID password it's not accepting to use in third-party applications. Gmail organization treating to Jenkins. Jenkins is a less secure app. In Gmail organization way, they are treating to Jenkins. Jenkins is a less secure app, so that reason we are not giving permission to use mail ID and its password in third-party applications. Now Jenkins is a less secure app, so that reason Gmail organization not allowing to use the original password. So that reason Gmail organization giving one more feature, that temporary password. The temporary password, we need to generate the temporary encrypted password. We need to take that and we need to be added here. So it's mean what we have to do. we need to create the temporary password in the Gmail organization console. Gmail organization console. See guys, this is the Gmail. This is the Gmail organization. It's a site. Inside this, from which mail we are going to sending? From this mail. We need to generate encrypted key in this mail. This is the sender mail ID. Now, be inside that sender mail ID. Click on that profile icon. Now you can click on that manage your Google account. Guys, be careful. Okay. Next, click on that security. Yes, now you can find that two-step authentication. Click on this one. Yes, it will ask you that authentication. Yes. See guys, I think already I have used this one guys. So that reason we are getting like this. Already I have that. Already I have that. Just wait guys. So I'll use another one. See guys, if already you have configured this one, see we can see here. Already I have used it for 2 times this one. So that reason here we are seeing that. So I'm going to deleting this one. And let me take new mail ID guys, another mail ID. Okay guys, I'm using another mail ID. Okay, I think I didn't use for this Jenkins configuration. Yes, first of all, okay, just wait. See guys, just click on that your profile icon and click on that manage your Google account. You will get one more new window. Yes, now click on that security. Now you can see that two-step verification. Click on here. See guys, if it is first time, you will get like this. If you are going to configuring first time, you will get like this. Now click on that get started. Yes, it will ask you that register phone number. It's one time only. You will not get again and again. Yes, if you want to get that text message, yes, again it will send that. Yes, just wait. Yes, click on that turn on. Almost done. Now again, click on that two-step verification. See guys, from next time we will get directly this screen. Once you click on this one, we will get this screen. Just wait, it's processing. See guys, now come to bottom. See, from next time, whenever you open this one, this option, yes, directly you can see this one. You can't see that before 2 steps. It's already added that. We turn on that for getting apps. Just click on this app passwords. Now you can name that whatever you want. Yes, Jenkins, I'm naming that. Now click on that create. Yes, this is the encrypted key. This is the password. Just take this one without a space. Don't take this space. But this is important. Copy this one. Now move to Jenkins. Yes, paste here. This is the password. And it's asking that ID. Take this one. Yes, oh, sorry, I'm using that DevOps Project-2. I'm using DevOps Project-2. Take this one. Again, add here. Yes, save this one. See guys, now we got this one. Now we need to add this key into system. Click on that manage Jenkins. Now click on that system. We didn't finish that. What is that email notification configuration? We have created credentials. After that, for adding these credentials into this, we are coming here. Just see guys. Now click on that advanced. Now you can see here. See guys. Yes, select this one. And next use SSL certificate and use that TLS and come to bottom. One more, we are having one more step, that email notification. See guys, same again. What is that? smtp.gmail.com and use that suffix default and click on that advanced. Use SMTP authentication. Username, mail ID. Which mail ID we are using? This one. Yes, copy this one and come here. Yes, and password already we are having now. Don't close this one until getting that confirmation. Yes, pasting. Next again use SSL and use TLS and port number 465 and okay, here also 465.
How do we know the port number is 465?
Sorry.
How do we know that port number is 465?
Yes, we are having port number 65,535 port numbers we are having. Each and every port number unique for different service. Out of those services, for SMTP protocol, we are using this 465.
Is
Okay?
it constant every time?
Yes. Okay. Next, replay address. Same, I'm using this one. Copy this one. Come here. Just add here. And for a test case, whatever we have configured for testing, is it success or not? Is it okay or not? Now, I'm adding here one mail ID. I'm using this receptionist mail ID. Take this one. Yes. This receptionist mail ID. Just now you can apply that. So you have configured now everything. So if it is correct or not for testing, click on that test configuration. You will get notification here. See guys, successfully we have configured. Now we got one mail from this Jenkins to this mail ID. Now you can come here. See guys, a test mail. In master we have configured. In the master mission we have configured. Now same like that we need to configure in the slave mission also. In the slave mission also we need to configure. So first of all, let me create credentials. Click on that credentials. Click on that system. Click on that global. Add credentials and use username and mail ID. Copy this one. Which one we have username? Okay. This we need to modify these guys. This is the original one. Copy this one. Yes. Add here. And password. Already we are having the password. Yes, same password. Copy this one. Yes. And ID. DevOps Project-2. Same ID. This username and password belongs to this project ID. For easy identity purpose, we are using this ID and the description. Yes, create this one. Now we have created. Now move to manage Jenkins. Now click on that system and again come to email extension. Yes, here again what is the port name? smtp.gmail.com. Next port number 465. Next click on that advanced. Yes, click here. See guys, already we have added. Select this one. Okay. Next use SSL and TLS. No need that. Just come to bottom. Yes, here again smtp.gmail.com. Next guys, please check that spelling. Yes, apply that again. Mail ID, sender mail ID. Copy this one. If you are having only one master, only one Jenkins server, we can reduce this time consumption. But we are using configuration of master slave configuration, so that reason. Okay. Next password. Click on that SSL. Use TLS and port number 465, and again that replay address. Copy this one, and is it okay or not for test case? Yes, now you can apply that. Click on that test configuration. Master manager okay. See guys, successfully we have configured what is that? Email notification. Email notification configuration part is over. Save this one. And I have one doubt here. Which is okay, correct. Okay, save this one. I didn't save this one. Now I'm saving this one. See guys, now I have configured. Now what I have to do? I need to change here. Sender mail ID. Yes. Copy this one. Okay, next take this script, copy this one, and you can check here guys. See here we don't have that build success. Now what I'm doing that I'm going to successful. I'm going to deleting this one. Okay, so guys, at this time we don't have any kind of builds from the Jenkins build notifications. Now come to master mission. Yes, the same job, DevOps Project-2. Now click on that configure. Click on that pipeline. Yes, select and replace with new one. Yes, save this one. Click on that build now. Now we have to get the mail from this Jenkins server to this mail ID. Now you can close this one. No need this one. That's one-time configuration. You can close this. But this mail ID is important. To which mail ID we are going to receiving mails? That mail ID we should have that. Still is doing. See guys, success. Now you can come here. Just refresh. Just wait guys. Something went wrong. Let me check here. Click on that console output. Spelling mistake guys. Correct, na? That's correct. EMU. Okay, just wait.
I think you are checking in the wrong Gmail.
MAIL.
No. You're checking in the wrong account, maybe. I think you're checking in the OpenStack account.
You need to check different mail ID.
No, sir.
You have to go to ravindra.devops, but you're checking in ravindra.openstack or something.
This is the reception, ma'am. We use this one.
Okay.
Just wait. Okay, guys, I have troubleshooted that. Some mismatch in that, adding that master slave in the master and the slave mission, mail ID, some mismatches. I rectified that. Now I'm trying to build that after rectifying that. Yes. See, guys, now we got that. Successfully, we got that. This is the sender mail ID. From the Ravindra OpenStack, we got that mail. See, guys. This is the process. Successfully, we got that. But why we are not getting that link? That's the problem here. Just let me check here the code. The build URL not coming. Build number, job name. Actually, we need to get this build number, but we are not getting that. Let me check this one. Everything fine. This is also correct. This is also correct. Yes. Let's now come here. Let's configure. I think this is not a matter. Okay, guys, we'll try to trigger that once again. Successfully, we got that mail, but so whatever we are getting that build ID, that ID not coming into console output. I mean to mail. Let's come back. No. Okay, guys, we'll see that. Okay, slowly we'll see that. Okay, now successfully we got that. Now email notification is okay. Now what I'm doing that, now I'm going to failuring job. On success we are getting mail. We want to see that on failure also now. Yes, let me the same job. Just what I'm doing that, just I'm deleting that. See, guys, here we don't have that URL. Save this one. Now click on that build now. Now 100% build will fail. See, guys, fail, but we got that notification. Now you can see here, come back. See, guys, build failed. Okay, Hi, your build was something went wrong. Please check it. But actually, we need to get that URL, build URL. We are not getting that. We will see that. What is the problem? We'll check that. Okay. Now see, guys. Email notification almost 99% success. Okay. Now, next step. In the same job, just leave the two blanks or two. Now what we are doing that we are going to pulling the code, sending to SonarQube. Now we are going to sending to SonarQube. Now guys, we need to configure SonarQube integration with Jenkins. We need to configure SonarQube integration with Jenkins. Okay guys. So to slave mission to SonarQube. Already SonarQube is there. Already we have installed Sonar Scanner plugin. Already we have installed that plugin. After installing that plugin only we can configure that. Now let me show you that how to configure SonarQube. See guys, this is my SonarQube server and this is my slave mission. And I already have installed a plugin also. Click on that manage Jenkins and you can click on that plugins. Just click on that install the plugin because already I have installed that. Now you can check here. Sonar. See guys, already I have installed. In the same, in the master mission also, click on that manage, click on the dashboard, click on that manage Jenkins. Yes, click on that plugins. Now click on that install because already I have installed that. Yes, the same plugin. Sonar Scanner plugin. If you haven't installed any of our missions, you have to install this one, guys. That's very, very important. Okay. Now, but here, yes, we did that mistake. No? Yes, let me reconfigure that. Yes, what is that? STT PS.
Yes.
STTP. Yes, yes, save this one and try to build once again. You can see that console output also. What is the mistake here? You can see that click on that console output. Finally, you can see that maybe you will get C. URL is C. Maybe C here also it's saying that. Okay. It will throw that argument. Okay, guys. See. Error fetching remote repo origin. Now we got that success. Now you can check here. Successfully we got that. Once again you can check that mail. See guys. Okay, at build number 7. See here also build number 7. Okay. Now what we are doing that? Now we are going to integrating SonarQube with Jenkins. Just before integration, make sure that the plugin is installed or not. Okay, in my case, already I have installed that plugin. Now I'm moving to SonarQube. Yes, now be in the SonarQube dashboard. This is the dashboard. Now click on that profile icon. Now click on that my account. Now click on that security. Now generate one token here. Yes, same name. I'm naming that DevOps Project-2. Yes, now use this one global analysis token. Yes, no expiration. Generate token. Yes, guys. Now again we need to create credentials for this SonarQube. For SonarQube also we need to create credentials in the master and slave mission. First of all, okay, yes, coming into the master slave mission, be in the manage Jenkins and click on that credentials once again. Next, click on that system. Again, click on that global credentials. Next, add credentials. Now we are using here with a secret text. We are using with a secret text. Here we don't have. We are not having user. Directly we are having that secret text. Now, guys, the text. Take this one. Copy this one. come here, add this one. And next ID, same I'm using this one. Yes, copy this one. Yes. And description also for easy understanding purpose. Yes, already it's created, but I'm using that 02 02. Okay, yes, create this one. Now I have created. Now what we have,
project name should be, sorry to interrupt. Project name should be same, no, it should not be changed.
sir, I'm using common name for without confusion. Avoiding confusion, for avoiding confusion, I'm using common name. Okay, because we are having in different locations now. So if you are having that multiple credentials, how can you identify easily? So that reason I'm putting the common name for in all locations for easy to understand. Okay, now see guys, already we have used this one, so that reason it's saying that now. So what we are doing that now we need to add these credentials in manage Jenkins. Just click on that manage Jenkins. Now I'm in slave mission. Now I'm taking only slave mission. Then we'll go for master mission. Once we adding credentials, now click on that manage Jenkins. After that, click on that system. If already have installed that plugin, SonarQube scanner plugin, we can see that option here. See guys, already we have installed, so that reason we are seeing that. Now click on that, select this one environment variables. Now the project name, yes, same name I'm using again. Copy this one. Yes, name that. And you can see that credentials. Yes, URL. Which URL? That SonarQube server URL. Just copy this one up to port number. Just select that one and copy that one. But automatically it will come with HTTP. Yes, guys. Now credentials. Already we have added that now. So that reason we are seeing that credentials. Select this one. Next, click on that advanced. And here also once again that. Yes, select this one. In the slave mission, we have integrated. Once you save this one, successfully we have integrated SonarQube with Jenkins in the slave mission. The same concept once again in the master mission also. Click on that, be in the dashboard, click on that manage Jenkins. Now click on that credentials. First we are going to add in credentials. Click on that system. Again click on that global credentials. Now click on that add credentials. And same once again. See guys, once you repress this one, it will hide that. Don't repress this one because we need to add in both missions now. So that reason, yes, copy this one. Now move to master mission. Don't confuse guys. Yes, sorry. Here we need to select that secret text. Yes, the secret text here, and here once again that DevOps Project-2. Already we added that 2. So that region here, yes. Okay, these 2 for email notification. This 2 for email notification. These 2 for SonarQube. Now click on that manage Jenkins. Now click on that system. Again in this mission also we should have that. We should have installed that plugin, SonarQube scanner plugin. In my case, already I have installed that one. See guys, select this one in the SonarQube server environment. Select this one, and yes, the name. Copy this one. Yes, server credentials. Yes, here we are using 02 na. Better to use this one also. So we'll modify that one also. Yes, yes. Click on that 02 and click on that advanced. Here also select this one. Yes, save this one. So let me change in the slave mission also. Yes, manage Jenkins. Just a small change. That's it. Okay. Only 2 for email notification. Of course, it will work, no problem, but avoiding confusion. Now, guys, successfully we have configured email. What is that? Integration process is over with the SonarQube. With the SonarQube, integration process is over with the Jenkins. Now, what we are doing that? Now, let me test that. The SonarQube taking or not code. Yes, let me click on that. Yes, now you can see guys, once you click on this, it will hide automatically. Okay, next, better to take this one. Okay, yes, now click on that projects. See guys, now it is empty projects. This is the dashboard, projects dashboard. At present, we don't have any kind of projects. Now what I'm doing that, now I'm going to adding text. Now come here. Yes, leave the 2 blocks. Now stays here. SonarQube code analysis. Yes, steps. So we are using yes with SonarQube env. SonarQube env. Here we need to find that have we configured or not SonarQube environment in the global tool configuration in both missions. I think already have configured. Yes, let me show you that. Yes, click on that manage Jenkins. These all are one-time configurations, guys. Whenever you are going to adding new versions, that time you are going to adding some more that. At present, we are using only one-time configuration. Nothing to worry. But first time it will take this much time. Even in the real time also, we are having much more time for configuring this environment. It's not possible to configure it in overnight. Okay, they will give time. But as a responsible person, we need to finish as soon as that. As a subject person, as a responsible person, we need to finish as soon as that. Okay, without taking much more time. Just click on the tools. Yes, now you can find here. See, already I have installed that, guys. Nothing to worry. This is the SonarQube environment. This is the SonarQube environment. If you haven't configured environment, you need to configure this one. Save this one. Just now move to back. Yes, env, SonarQube, env. Yes, what is the name? Which name we have used here? This is also very important. Once again, come here, click on the tools. We need to take this name only. Whatever we have given here, that name only we need to take this one. See guys, this is the name here. We have given that. This name, we have given that. What I am giving right now? Yes, I am giving that a DevOps Project-2. I'm taking this one. Take this one, copy this one. See. Now come to same we need to place here. This is the important here. Okay. Now, yes, open the trace. Now, apply that sh. Now we are adding. Now we are using Maven. See guys. Now what we are doing that after integration of the what is that SonarQube with Jenkins. Now what we are doing that we are going to integrating, now we are going to executing the command mvn sonar sonar. That is the command to send the code from whatever we are having code in the GitHub repository. We are taking the code and sending to SonarQube with the help of Maven. Okay, now, yes, mvn, if already we are having that, artifact or project, we are cleaning that. If any required the plugins, yes, we are going to installing that. Install. Here two goals. This is one goal. So whatever the artifact already is there, whatever the target folder is there, we are going to removing that one. If any required plugins, are required, we are going to installing. Next, after that, we are sending to sonar. Sonar. This is the command. Now, so what we are doing that, we are sending to SonarQube and make sure that how many we have opened. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and 3 over, and this is the stages, and the last one is the, yes, now again take this code, move to job, just click on that dashboard, move to project location, configure, pipeline. Guys, I'm removing and adding this one. Yes, save this one. Now move to build location. Yes, we got failure. I think we need to add in the slave mission also. In the slave mission, I'll tell that. See guys, we got mail. Failed. See guys, we got failed. Now let me configure here also. First of all, click on that tools. So we have different name here now, SonarQube. Yes, see guys, here, what is that? DevOps Project-2. Save this one. Of course, we got that is the issue. Yes, now come here. Let me check that console output. See guys, did the sonar scanner succeed? Warning, and mvn command not found. Mvn command not found. That is a problem here. Okay. Install sonar. Of course, that's correct. See here we have given that. Now, okay, let me build once again that. If you want to see live execution, failure. Yes, now we need to add the tool, guys. I forgot that. Now we need to add that environment. That's the problem here. See, it's saying that command not found, mvn command not found. Now we need to add the tool. Spandana, you got it now? Yes, now we are adding that environment. Yes, path equals to, so where's the Maven path? Where is that Maven path? Yes, echo $path. Yes, this is our git path, Maven path. Okay, same. Now we need to add here path /opt Maven bin and $env dot path, env dot path. Next, home path, m2 underscore home equals to tool within the quotes Maven. This is the process. Okay, guys. Yes. Now take this one. Yes. Now click on that configure pipeline. Just save this one. Click on that build now. Yes. What is the problem here? Not named Maven. Again, yes, come back here. Yes, guys. Again, yes, come back. Click on that manage Jenkins tools. Yes. In I think almost in both missions, same type we have configured. Yes, see guys, this is the take this one, save this one. Yes, that one. Okay. So configure pipeline. Yes, go for build. Now it's going to core analysis. If you want to see live access, live execution, see guys. Now Jenkins will send this code, whatever we are having code. So whatever we are having this source code comes into this Nexus server. Just refresh here. Still it's running, I think. It's now success. Just we have written only getting the code and sending to SonarQube. Now come here, just refresh here. See guys, we got. Okay, successfully we got the code to SonarQube server. SonarQube already it's analyzed. After analyzing only, it's saying that bugs and all. Now what we are writing that? Now we are going to writing quality gates. We are writing quality gates. Yes, same being the SonarQube server. Now we are going to guys, see guys. Now what we are doing that? Now we are going to writing quality gates. If quality gate, if the code is okay, then it will goes to next step. Okay. So first of all, let me show you how we will configure quality gates. Guys, be in the dashboard. Now you can find that, click on that, you can find quality gates in the menu. Now click on here, quality gates. See guys, already we are having that. So these are the default conditions. Code coverage Okay, less than 80%, it will ignore that. Duplicate lines, if you have that 3%, it will ignore that. Maintainability rating, okay, it's a worse than. Okay, guys, next is worse than no bugs. Reliability rating, security hotspots, okay, reviewed less than 100%. So these are the default quality gates. We are continuing with this one, and this is the ID. DevOps project 2. Let me create one more new one. We are having that new one now. 02. Just create. Save this one. Just put this as a default. For this default, and these all default quality gates comes into this one. Now come to, yes, just how many? 1, 2, 3. Just leave 2, 3. Next again stays. Just copy this one. Copy this one. Just adding timeout for these stays. SonarQube quality gates. Code quality gates. Next steps. Now we are writing that timeout. Yes, time 2 minutes. I am giving that 2 minutes. It's in the unit format. Unit, yes, in the minutes format. If you are giving that to hours, yes, you can give that. To days, you can give that. So I'm giving that minutes. Yes, I'm sending this one and close here one more. Total we have opened 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is common. That's common. Yes, again take this code. Copy this one. Yes, guys, you can check here that build success. See guys, successful. And first, yes, it was failed. Before that it was failed. Now it's a success. Now we are adding one more step. Just click on that project. Click on that configure. Pipeline. Just add this one. Just click on that build now. See guys. Of course, already quality gates also okay. It's verified, but we are writing one more step. It's passed successfully. It passed that. See. Quality gates also success, guys. See. See, finally we got that success. Now, again click on that. Just refresh here. New one. Yes. And the same one, I think we are getting that build number 12. What is the build number? Yes, build number 12. And the same one, we got that success. 2. Okay. Now, so what we are doing that now we are going to integrating with it Nexus. Yes, here also, yes, this is the Nexus repository. Already we are having that Yes, this is the source code, and we need to modify here form.xml. Sign in. Okay, guys. Now, okay, already we are having 160 only. This is the server. Nexus server URL is IP address is 160, and here also we are having 160, 160. Need not to modify that. Just okay. Yes, you can go back. Just move to job. Next, add one more step. Okay. Now, stays code compile. If you want to compile that, just you can compile, or else yes. Now steps is what is that? sh mvn compile, mvn compile. Okay. Next, that's one over. If you want to build the package, yes, you can build the package. Copy this one. Yes. Code build. Yes. MVN package. Yes. Again, if you want to deploy that, yes, deploy that MVN. Yes. Where deploy or artifact deploy. Deploy to Nexus. Yes, right here. Deploy. Okay. Next one. If you want to copy that one, yes, stays where copy to dev environment, dev env. Next, steps sh scp yes, dot where. So where is located? Yes, the target, no, target slash dot where. So where a root or the rate or the IP address of this is the IP address. Yes, colon slash opt Tomcat web apps. Tomcat web apps. Yes, put the code.
You told that instead of writing the code, we can copy from the Git or something. Can you show that?
Yes, yes. If you put in backup, whatever we have written that now we can put into that backup Jenkins file format. Okay, we are converting. It's a template format. You got it now. Once if everything success, then we are converting into one template format with the name of Jenkins file. Then we are uploading into that file in GitHub. From there we can pull it. You got it now?
Got it.
Yes. Yes. Copy this one. Just move to this job. configure. Yes. Save this one. I think we will get issue while copying that. Yes, build now. Yes, this is our application. So now, so what we are having that different stages we are having: code pulling, code analysis, code quality gates, and after that code compile and code packaging. After that deploying into that Nexus and deploying into the dev environment. And finally, we are mailing. Already we have configured mail. So now, if everything fine, but here we are having only one dev environment. Forget about this test environment. If everything fine, we'll get notification, success notification to what is that? Mail ID. We'll see that. Now we have configured everything that for a new job. For new job, it's very easy with this environment. Now in today's session, what we did, whatever we are having, whatever we are not having, that those all we have configured. Same time we are configuring and we are testing. We are configuring the job, adding the code and testing that. See guys, code compilation okay. Yes, here we got that dev environment. We got that failure. See, just click on that console output. Maybe that is the var file issue, not finding that. See guys, no such file or this one. That's the problem here. Just wait guys. Okay, I'll come back. Okay guys, here we need to find the target. That's the problem. Actually, in the slave mission, LL DevOps Project-2 CD Web Apps LL target PWD. This is the path here. Here we need to write that web apps. Let me change some small change. Configure web apps, web app only web app. Yes. Save this one. Web app. Okay. Yes. Just let me run this again. to where deploy success to Nexus. But finally, we are deploying here. We're trying to get that application this location. Okay guys, successfully we deployed. Now you can see, just refresh here. See guys, just now, yes. See guys, successfully we ran that application and we got that mail also. Successful. And now what is the number of job? 14th. See guys, this is the process. Successfully we ran this one. But here I'll check this one. But however, we got that successful configuration. Okay guys, thank you.